Well, here we go again. It's raining, if you hear the rain on the roof. Right, so this is the state of play with this. He's brought the radiator back, we've installed it. Put another bearing in there. So, done that this morning. So that's all back and all done. He brought a brand new air filter and put that in. He's going to get his engineer friend to make brackets and that for the exhaust, to do the exhaust. He's going to get his engineer friend to put the radiator in. Got a broken bolt there. He said, I'll just get my engineer friend to do that. It needs a nut welded onto it for this bracket, for that bracket there. So that goes like that. So that goes there like that. What else we done? So that's all up. So that's done. We've done the engine oil filter and fuel filter. Put more. He's put oil in it. Hasn't managed to find any glow plugs yet. What else? Yeah, so the radio's just sitting in there. He's quite happy with that at the moment. He's going to get his engineer friend to do that. What else is there? One belt was pretty cut up, so he's going to get another belt. We've done the hydraulic oil filter. His engineer friend, he's got bearings there. He's going to get the engineer friend to make up some bushes. We'll see what the engineer thinks. This pin here is quite worn and the bearing's sloppy on it, so he's going to talk to his friend and see what he can do. This here is just sitting here at the moment. And I've got to do a clean up anyway. Yeah, we've had quite a bit of water that coming from the roof up there. So I've had a leaky garage, leaky workshop, which is a bit of a nuisance. But yeah, that's about the state of play with this. He's getting the blade sharpened at the moment, so when he gets that back, he'll fit them. But at the moment, he's going to be taking the thing away in the next few days, and he's going to get his engineer friend to do a few bits just to fix some steel up. So yeah, that's probably might be the last you see of this project. So yeah, I've done what he's asked me to do, mainly to put that bearing in and to get the engine, see the engine was okay. So, but yeah, it'd be interesting to see it up and running. We've checked the hydraulic oil, that's still clear. So I've still got to put the alternator belt in But yeah, I've had enough for the day. I'm going to go and have a cup of tea. So he was going to, he said he's not going to put the brakes on yet. He will eventually, but he's not going to do it just yet. Yeah, it's just been rain for about the last week here, and he said he hasn't managed to do any big tree jobs because of the rain. So, but yeah, and we've had flooding and all sorts of things. So anyhow, I'm just rambling now. Yeah, that's about it. Alright everybody, yeah, this has been a bit of a project, so, and it's probably the last time you'll see it. So, alright, that's it from me, and yeah, we'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.